Ati ka na sa mo ito na kunay, kailangan mo lang magpuni sa ipel doon. Tapos halika. Ito na, nakatira. Ito. Ito yung mas madami itong pail na meron na madaming lupa. Diyan, kanya siya. Tapos, ito pa yung kailangan natin ng mas ma-adjust siya ng 6x. Lagyan mo sa may mud. Kasi ito. And bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. Ayan po ang first vlog ni Kuya Elias. Sineshow niya po yung mud. Ayan po yung soil na nabasa. Tapos, minimake po niyang ball. Ayan.
Isang gagawin ko ng madam shit and make venom or this ball and this tiger.
Okay.
Then subscribe people, tires, subscribe. Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.
Subscribe.
That's all po. Bye-bye. Flex lang po ni Kuya Elias. So, kanyang, what is that?
Mud.
Mud soy?
Doon pa meron pa akong mud doon.
Asan pa? Asan pa?
Akong color pa doon.
Sige, sige. Ay, wag na doon.
Dito yung brown na lupa. Tapos yung color niya.
Brown ba talaga yung lupa? Hindi ba talaga yung black?
Ganyan siyang color. At yan. Itong color naman.
That is the reason why your shirt is so very dirty and your clothes. Because you're playing soil.
I'll show you. Yan, dito yan. Tanggalin mo lang itong dirty. Then ito yung at the same lupa yan. Color.
But black yung other one? Yung other one brown. Why is that the same? Can you explain, Nanay, what happened?
Because nag-uulan yan ang brown yung color sa may book of brown. Kasi yan ang color ng pressure ng bukot. Kasi if you want to buy that bucket, the soil bucket, check all of your colors of mud. If you can use it in your books and subscribe people like books and they are not can believe is what you found in the X and the color lupa is a golden treasure. It's called a golden ring that's so made of gold because you found it too in the dangerous desert. You'll find some golds and anything still find different gold books.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.